when you focused on a vision and you believe that you're gonna get there so thoroughly that you already believe you there, even though your reality isn't reflecting it yet, you truly in your mind believe you already there. God's gonna make it happen for you. I'm about to go outside real quick. When my TB gets hit, just call me and I'll come back inside. Told y'all I'd come back inside when my TP got hit, didn't I? Alright, peep this shit, man. Peep this shit. Off rip. Look, we took out this weekly fair value gap. Beautiful. On a Tuesday. So we opened up, pushed down into this weekly fair value gap. This was an area of interest I wanted to see for the week. It also aligns with this weekly volume imbalance that we respected right here and pushed off of, then broke through. We also have this weekly intermediate term high that we could respect. So this is a nice little key level, right? ES is a little bit different, but all in all, it's the same. We have this high right here that we could respect. Still a weekly fair value gap. So off rip, the fact that it's now Wednesday. The fact that we pushed down on a Tuesday into that weekly fair value gap, and it looks like a pretty strong key level just by this chart right here. Right here. I haven't even scaled down yet. I did get a little peek at the daily, but I wasn't really looking at it for real. Just by looking at this right here, I can tell you I'm probably going to be bullish for the day and really for the rest of the week. I think Tuesday just made the low of the week, and we're going to push up closer to all-time highs. It's the end of the year. Q4 just started. Well, I think Q4 been started, but y'all get what I'm saying. So I haven't even scaled down yet, so let's not get ahead of ourselves too much, but this looks very, very good for a bullish day. Peep how we came down and rejected, and we got this volume imbalance right here on NQ. We rejected that shit. I think we about to push up, man. I think this is gonna be the target for the next few days. Again, let me not get too ahead of myself, but I'm just speaking my mind right now. Let's go down on to the 4 hour. Like, look, we didn't even shift structure through this low. If we were gonna push down a lot, if we were gonna shift to bearish, we would have shifted structure through this low on the 4 hour. But nope, we came down and sweeped it and rejected, and we're starting to accumulate a little bit. Swept out these lows. Oh, we didn't sweep out these lows. Ooh, this shit is looking sexy. It's getting spicy in this bitch. It is NFP this. It is NFP today. God damn it. NFP Wednesday. Just want to point that out. But look at these relative equal lows. So 930 could push down, take this out, and then push up towards this 4 hour fair value gap and take out this high. All right, I'm just thinking out loud again. I'm not trying to predict the market. This is just what I'm seeing. If we have a 4 hour SMT, it's over with pretty much. But the fact that this is relative equal lows, damn near equal lows, we might sweep this on ES and not on NQ and create a SMT right here. Speaking out loud. So calm the fuck down. Did we hit equilibrium of this range? Yes, we fucking did. This shit is just looking so beautiful. Wow, that's previous day's low too. All right, so this is what I just typed into my journal. So off rip, let's get this straight. We tapped into the weekly fair value gap that we wanted to see the market run down into this week. On NQ, we have a VI in this area as well. The daily and 4 hour failed to shift structure in these areas and instead gave rejections. The 4 hour on NQ swept the fuck out of the recent lows in this area and tapped into the 4 hour fair value gap. This is the recent low I'm talking about, and this is the 4 hour fair value gap that I'm talking about right here. Boom. Swept the fuck out of the recent lows, tapped in the 4-hour fair value gap, and that was all below EQ of the range right here. Yes, it wasn't EQ, but it's still okay. We are starting to accumulate, and it's Wednesday, meaning yesterday could very well have been the low of the week. Tuesday usually forms low or high of the week. This shit is setting up bullish. Then I put a screenshot of the 4-hour, and then I put a screenshot of the 1-hour. I said, notice how ES has relative equal lows, but NQ does not. I'm talking about right here, boom. NQ does not have relative equal lows, ES does. I said, I think we could push down and form SMTs at these lows. Boom, boom. And those lows happen to be yesterday's low, bro. Previous day low, right? Get the fuck off my screen, bitch. So I think we could push down and form SMTs with previous day low, and then push up towards Monday's high for the rest of the week. This is looking really nice. 930 Judas swing, sweep PDL, and create SMTs with DS before pushing up. So that's what I see happening for today. We could push up and tap into this fair value gap and then push down though. I'm open for that too. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing, man. It's looking pretty nice. Yeah. NFP was at 815. And we have crude oil inventories at 1030, but that's orange folder, not red. So today's looking pretty fucking sexy. Crypto is not necessarily looking sexy, but it's all good. We wait till October ends. On the higher time frames, we are looking sexy on crypto. So everything's working perfectly. I love life. I love you, type shit. But I'm gonna catch y'all in about, like I said, 35 minutes. All right, so hold up, let me put this bit down. As y'all can see, it's starting to look like we might sell off right here, to be honest. But we do, cause we did sweep these highs and created an SMT. We might go and push these lows right now. You know, I'm still deciding if I want to take a short to the lows or if I want to take a long after the lows get hit. But I think this might just be the target for the day, to be honest. Because I'm more confident in longs than shorts overall, just because I think the weekly is going to flip bullish today. So now we have this SMT right here. This is one wild SMT. And look, we did check out this low right here. And the reason I'm pointing that out is because we do have an SMT, yes, but there still needs to be, well, it makes it better if there's a reason for NQ to reverse where the SMT forms. Like, this kind of helps us predict if the SMT is going to hold, and if the SMT does hold, where is it going to hold? I want us to hold up in this area, but we could keep continuing lower. I just want the higher time frame SMT to hold if we're going to take longs. I'm not taking the short anymore. It's kind of too late for shorts. It's actually way too late for shorts. Even if we took out this sell side level and pushed through with this placement, to me it's still too short for, too late for shorts. We ain't doing that. ES just shifted structure. Hopefully we don't take off without me after all that analyzing. We might hold this right here. We might hold this high. But I would need us to come back down here for the trade to be worth it. But ES is pushing with so much fucking momentum. Yeah, we have to return to this level for me to take this. So let's see if this gives us an entry. It's looking pretty good right now. We have to come back down here though. Oh shit. Well, that's not a great sign. But we are in the macro. Let's see if we can push down and take this shit out, man. Get tapped in. I don't know if we're gonna get an entry on this, boys. If we start to shift back to the upside, then we'll make an adjustment. But I think we're gonna get tapped in. Yeah, I'm about to buy it too. Nah, fuck that. Keep it where it's at, bro. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna get tapped in. I'm gonna buy it too. Got filled pretty high though. I'm risking 249. Ain't that crazy? But now this is only a 1 to 1.5. That ain't bad though. I'm gonna just have my TPs up here. Now the reason why I bought up here is because we already came into this fair value gap, which is that's a valid place to take the trade. I wanted to see us come back to equilibrium, but that's looking less and less likely as we hold this level. We also have this right here, which is the market structure shift high, and we're holding that level as well. So that's why I bought up here. I just adjusted my stop a little bit because this actually, it is a fair value gap, but I don't see us coming all the way back down here at all. I don't see that happening. But I do see that we are holding this area, and we also already came back into this fair value gap. So after these rejections and after we closed above this swing high, I just decided to sell, take a little risk by moving my stop a little bit higher. And you feel me? This is no longer going to be my first TP, but that's also because, like I said, we have this SMT right here. And we also, this right here is like a market maker buy model to this original consolidation right here. So that's why we're in this trade right now. I didn't wait for a 1 minute SMT just because of how strong we started to push up. And it looks like we are starting to push up. Oh, and also y'all can see, I wasn't looking, but we did create an SMT on the 1 minute right here. Guess I'm starting to get the hang of this trading shit a little bit, huh? Now let's see if we just take out this level and then reverse or not. I couldn't set my first TP there because it's not good enough, but hopefully we don't start to reverse in that fair value gap on the 5 minute right there. I want us to keep pushing. I want the 5 minutes to close above this and for us to start to push up, you feel me? Since we have an SMT right here, I do want to move my stop as well, but last time I did that I lost, so I'm just gonna hold and trust my bias. Yeah, I want to add another position right here and then scale my stop loss up, but I'm not going to do it. I'm actually gonna add that into my journal. One thing I am gonna do is move this down by 1 and move this down by 1 as well, just because I like to ensure that I get filled, because we could tap this high and then reverse. Same here. It's crazy, man. Some people recommended for me to demo trade. This was a while ago, a few months ago. Actually throughout my whole career of recording this shit. One time I think I blew my account and I said I had to make changes to my trading, and I switched over to micros again, like micro trading. I was still trading Forex at that point, so I was trading like literally 0.01 on my live account. People told me just demo trade. I was like, nah, fuck that. And then there was another time, can't remember when, But they were like, just demo trade, bro. I'm like, nah, that's some pussy shit, bro. I learned from being in the fire. And then all of a sudden, God puts me in a position where I actually have to demo trade because the prop firms is fucking around. My account was also in the negative, so I couldn't buy prop firm accounts, and I had no money to trade with because all my money currently is in this motherfucker right here. You feel me? Which is a risk. I will say that it is a risk, but no matter how it goes, I'm pretty much gonna sell this at the end of October. Long story short, God put me in a position where I had to demo trade. I'm demo trading right now. So it's like, one thing about me is I trust God implicitly. Even if I'm making a mistake right now, if I need to be somewhere, God's gonna put me there when I need to be there. And yeah, I know I be saying I really do be saying shit that sounds dramatic a lot. Like, shit I be posting on Instagram. I talk about God a lot and how much faith I have in him, and it sounds dramatic. It sounds like, oh, this nigga again, bro. One of my friends actually said that shit. I told him he was on some hating shit. That shit was some hating shit, bro. If you watching this shit, that's how I perceived it, at least. Maybe to you might not have realized it was some hating shit, or maybe it came from a genuine place, but that was some hating shit to me. But regardless, bro, I be saying shit that might sound dramatic. It's like, why is this nigga so, like, why is he like this type shit? But I'm just being genuine. I have so much faith in God. I believe he will take care of me no matter what I do. Even if I fuck up 1,000 times, God will put me in a position where I have to learn from my mistakes. If I have to demo trade, then I will be put in a position to demo trade. Even if I don't want to demo trade, God will put my account in the negatives to where I can't trade. If that's what's needed to put me in the next level, to where I have to demo trade and learn from my mistakes and shit. You feel me? I hope y'all get what I'm saying. Like, one of the comments I made, somebody commented on my shit. His name's Always On Time, and he has fucking great videos. Y'all need to fuck with his shit. Great videos, bro. His production quality is good. He be having B-rolls, all type of shit. I fuck with his shit. I ain't watched him in a while, though. I ain't gonna lie, but I fuck with his shit. And he was like, you doing everything you say you would. Because last month I had a great month, and I posted about it. He said, you doing everything you say you would. I knew you could. And I was like, I ain't do shit. God did all that. He been pulling the strings since I was born, and I just trusted in him. And the way I worded it, it seemed kind of dramatic, or like, you feel me? It's like, why is this nigga so, you feel me? Why is he like this? But I was being genuine, and I really believe what I said, bro. I believe in God so heavy, bro. So fucking heavy. Like, I would fight about that shit. Like, I think, yeah, that's it. That's all I gotta say, bro. If when you focused on a vision and you believe that you gonna get there so thoroughly that you already believe you there, even though your reality isn't reflecting it yet, you truly in your mind believe you already there, God's gonna make it happen for you. That's what I believe is true based on my experiences, and it's never failed me. You feel me? We do have a small SMT right here, which could come in handy, but right now it's kind of looking like we might push down because we respecting this 5-minute fair value gap. Not really fucking with it, but I have faith in the market maker buy model right here that we seeing. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm about to go outside real quick. When my TV gets hit, just call me and I'll come back inside. Told y'all I'd come back inside when my TP got hit, didn't I? Get out of here, nigga. Little bitch ass fly. Y'all seen that? Did Brandon literally come back inside as soon as his TP got hit? Is Brandon him? Yes, he is. Told you God is real, nigga. I told you God is real, nigga. I'm gonna put my stop below here. We could really just put it at break even though we don't gotta do all that extra shit. Alright, so damn, I wanna pause. I wanna stop the recording just so I can see. Did I really come in right after my TP got hit? My phone was in here, bro. I don't know if y'all peeped that. I put my phone. I don't know if y'all peeped that. I did not bring my phone, bro. I promise y'all. I literally just, you feel me? I was like, shit, I gotta take a shit. I swear to God, I gotta take a shit. I'm finna come back in this motherfucker, see what the other trade doing, and then go take a shit. And lo and behold, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. I think the biggest thing that's changed my trading is literally getting off the charts when I don't see what I want to see. Not overthinking it like, damn, I'm being lazy. I should stay on the charts. I might see a setup. You feel me? I should just stay on. No, bro, fuck that. Fuck that. It's better to trade less. It's literally better. Nigga, find an excuse to not trade. Damn near. Like, don't go OD with it. Like, if I see what I want to see from the markets during pre-market like I saw today, I will stay on the charts. And then if the market does exactly what I said I wanted to see it do, I will execute. And it's that simple. You feel me? But as far as, like, there used to be days where I would look at the market and be like, what the fuck is going on? I don't like this shit. I don't know what I want to see. And I would stay on the charts anyways, because it's like, well, we might see a setup. The price action might get cleaner later throughout the day. And then I'll end up taking a bad setup because I'm trying to convince myself I'm trying to look for a setup. You feel me? I'll take a bad setup just because I stayed on the charts. And that could probably still happen to me right now. You feel me? I could probably still do that. But since I'm completely getting away from the charts, like, fuck it, I don't even look at it on my phone, none of that shit. It's allowing me to just completely eliminate those low probability days off rip. Cause I'm sure I'm missing good probability days too, and I am missing setups doing this shit. I definitely am. I'll come back to the market like, damn, that was a nice setup. But I just wasn't on the charts because pre-market didn't look nice. I didn't like it. Or the first 5 minutes of the charts, I'm like, nope, it just did some shit that I didn't really want it to do. Fuck it, I'm gonna get off. And then we end up having a nice setup later in the day. If I would have stayed on, I would have caught it, but I don't give a fuck. You feel me? So I am missing some setups, but I'm eliminating so many bad setups that it's transforming my trading. Like I said, I took 6 trades last month. That's not normal for me. It's normal for me to take 3 to 5 in a week. Like, that's regular. But fucking 2 or 3 of them are gonna be losers. And then you mix over trading on a day that you took a bad trade and you like, fuck it, I want to get back in. You feel me? And shit like that. You mix these things, you mix over risking. Shit like that. It just turns into a recipe for unprofitability. So trade less, get off the charts. Man, I feel like I gotta post yesterday's video and today's video. Yesterday I didn't take a trade, but I'm tired of looking at this fucking screen. It's just, I'm tired of watching it. So we gonna pause and get the fuck on, man. Boom, 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 boom. That's a snipe, nigga. What you talking about, man? Come on, twin. We really do this, man. For real though, we really do this. Brandon really does this, is this. You feel me? Again, we on demo, so anybody can be profitable on demo. Let's be real. But like I fucking told y'all 100 times, man. We really doing this though. Like, nigga, we really on our shit. We really locked the fuck in, man. And it feels good. This is enough for me to not trade for the rest of the month. I mean, rest of the week. You feel me? Let's see what we did today. Get the fuck out of here, man. No, I'm playing. Alright, go here. So 320. Is this today too? Yeah, this was today too. Can we go to today? Why the fuck do we have to? Gang, can you get this out of my fucking face? That shit's gonna blow me, bro. Y'all already know what happened with this. This was a win too. Most of this is wrong. Most of this is just fucking wrong. This was a win and this was a win. Wait, no, was it? I don't fucking know, man. All I fucking know is this was today. So, cool. Wait, we gotta add that up, Brandon. Brandon has to add that up right now. Brandon has to add that up right fucking now. 191 plus 329. So that's a $520 day. And we risked 250. Really, we risked 249. Now, I'm not gonna lie, TJR took the exact same trade as me, but he got in right here. He put his stop at this SMT low. So his first fucking TP was a 1 to 2.8, and he took it here to 1 to 4.9. So that nigga ate bread today, man. I could have had a tighter stop, but there was no reason to. There's no fucking reason to. For me, there was no reason to. We could have easily came down. Remember, I wanted to enter down here. Only reason I took this trade up here is because I saw that we kept rejecting, and then we broke above this little baby swing high right here. Boop. That little swing high right there, we broke above it and closed above it. So I'm like, all right, bet, let's just go ahead and buy. So I just bought when we came back down into this little order block right here. I was like, fuck it. And instead of having my stop down here, I have my stop right here. Feel me? So, yeah. But that's all we got for today. Let me add this to the journal. I'm not trading tomorrow. And I'm probably not trading Friday. It's NFP week. I got my little, you feel me? I didn't trade Wednesday. I didn't trade Monday. I didn't trade Tuesday. We caught a nice little trade on NFP Wednesday. No reason to risk it on Thursday or Friday. It's NFP week. No reason to fucking do that shit. Next week we have no news Monday. I'm not trading Monday, bro. I promise you I'm not fucking trading. Like I don't even look at the market on these days, bro. I will not look at the market tomorrow. Not while it's moving. I'll come back later and review that motherfucker. Same with Friday. I'll come back after the market closes and review that motherfucker. Monday, I'll come back after the market closes and review that motherfucker. Tuesday, we have no news. I'm risking half. So I'm going to risk 200 on Tuesday. Half is really 150, but I'm going to risk 200 on Tuesday if I trade. Wednesday, we got FOMC meeting minutes, which is not the same as FOMC, so I'm fine trading Wednesday. Thursday, CPI. Friday is PPI, so probably going to be risking 200 on those days, too. Then the next week, we got a bank holiday. Y'all can't even see the screen. It's fine. But, yeah, so I'm done for the week. Cool little week. I'm going to catch y'all boys later. You dig? There you are. Y'all be safe and lock the fuck in. Keep putting the work in. It's gonna pay off. Even if you have no idea what's going on right now, just remember, God got you. As long as I keep going hard, eventually I'm gonna make it. And tell yourself, I am profitable every day. Act like it. Feel it. Be it. And it's gonna happen. I'm gonna catch y'all.